As COVID-19 is still raging, countries around the world are scrambling to obtain vaccines for mass inoculation. From Asia to Europe, from Africa to Latin America, Chinese vaccines have arrived in many countries. Keeping its promise to the world, China has made COVID-19 vaccines a global public good. Welcome to GLOBALink. I'm Wang Zihang. Overcoming its own difficulties, China has provided vaccine assistance to at least 53 countries and exported vaccines to 27 countries, most of which are developing countries. When the shipment of Chinese vaccines arrived in Belgrade, it was welcomed by Serbian President Aleksandar Vučić, who regarded the vaccines as a proof of the great friendship between Serbia and China.
A friend in need is a friend indeed. You do something for people of this country. I come to the airport, I wait for that goods, doesn't matter whether it's ventilators or vaccines, and I do say many thanks to our Chinese friends.
At present, more and more countries are looking to China and casting a vote of confidence in Chinese vaccines. This kind of trust is shown in leaders of countries taking the initiative in receiving their first shots of Chinese vaccines and placing orders for them. Why are Chinese vaccines welcomed? Despite differences in testing standards in different countries, China's vaccines, the safety and efficacy indicators of which have exceeded the marketing standards set by the WHO, can provide effective protection for a large range of people. In addition, Chinese-made vaccines can be stored and transported at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, which is consistent with existing storage and transportation conditions of vaccines in many countries, therefore making the vaccines more accessible.
I would like to say all Pakistanis to come and get vaccinated against COVID-19 because it's approved, and after human trial it's become approved, and so everyone should come first and take this vaccination against COVID. I would like to say thanks to China, and China is always with us in every difficult situation, and thanks to all.
Facing the COVID-19 pandemic, the enemy of all humanity, China timely alarmed the world and shared the genome sequence of the coronavirus. Besides, China has cooperated with the WHO on virus origin tracing, joined the WHO global collaboration to accelerate the development, production, and equitable access to new COVID-19 diagnostics, therapeutics, and vaccines, and carried out vaccine research and development cooperation with more than 10 countries. In the face of the ruthless pandemic, China has reached out a helping hand. In 2020, China provided assistance to over 150 countries and 10 international organizations, dispatched 36 medical expert groups to countries in need, and offered more than 220 billion masks, 2.25 billion protective suits, and 1.02 billion testing kits to many countries.
Since the outbreak of the pandemic, the government and the People's Republic of China has extended assistance and support to Zimbabwe and many other countries. We are very proud to have an all-weather friend like China, and proud of that brotherly and sisterly bonds that have long connected the hearts and minds of our peoples.
Sì, voglio dire che sono commossa dal vostro aiuto, che è vero che siamo tutti onde dello stesso mare, foglie dello stesso albero e fiori dello stesso giardino. Grazie.
China has been taking concrete steps to promote the building of a community of common health for mankind. Facing the raging pandemic, only through solidarity and mutual assistance can countries end the cold winter of COVID-19 and embrace the warm spring. Thanks for watching. See you next time.